More. Pour all of it.
Yeah, let's just go mad. Oh, gosh. Okay. Right. I'm going to put a little bit of this in.
What do you think?
Stir.
Yeah, I like to stir it. I get to stir it. I wonder what colour it's going to be. It really is sticky now.
Keep stirring it.
Stir. Get it all thick. We need all the lumps to go out, don't we?
I guess so.
It's playing time.
Not far off, I think.
It's all goopy now. It's ready.
Go for it.
That is not really nice to me. Yucky. This is really slime.
What do you think? It's slime.
Oh.
Is it good?
Yeah, this is neat.
Neat. Oh, good. So, kids, summer holidays, you want to make your own slime? You'll need PVA glue, Almat washing gel from Aldi. Stir it together with a bit of food colouring and you get the biggest lump of snot you've ever seen. Is it fun?
Yeah. Eee! Sticky hands.
Ah, bogies!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it back in the bowl.
Ah, Lani, you've sneezed all over me. I don't think we stirred it enough.
But it's still fun.
Is it? Excellent. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
You have a monster hand.
Look at that.
Achoo! Me. Spoon, I'm making some slime today. Hard. It's not soft.
I think we've mixed it with too much stuff. It's good fun though, wasn't it? Oh dear. Oh good, I'll enjoy tidying that up. Bet you won't tidy it up, will you?